Right now, the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission is reminding boaters how to be safe while boating after recent tragedies on the water this summer. Newswatch 16's Amanda Eustace spoke with officials in the Poconos about precautions you can take.
It was a beautiful day to be out on the water at Tobyhanna State Park in Coolbah Township. The Nepley brothers were getting ready to kayak, always keeping safety in mind.
We're water rats, and we always safety first. We both wear life jackets. We have our registration with us.
We've got whistles.
Whistles, and a little snack.
Matthew Dietrich with the Northeast region of Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission hopes more people take precautions like the Nepleys. He says this year his office has been busy with reports of drownings and boating accidents.
I know getting a boat is fun. I know it's something a lot of people look forward to. It's something a lot of people do. But like I said, it's not something that they take the time to research and make sure they have all their proper stuff.
Officials with Fish and Boat Commission say there are certain safety precautions you need to take if you want to take your boat out on the water.
You know, make sure you have your life jackets, make sure you have all your fire extinguishers, your sound producing devices, basically anything that could potentially save your life in case of an emergency out there, because you know the water, it might look calm, but it's underneath, it's dangerous, and it can, you know, it can take a life like that.
Dietrich says letting people know your float plans can also help in an emergency.
Where you're going, who you're going out with, what time you're leaving, what time you're going to be back, where you're launching from, and where you're planning on pulling out.
And when it comes to swimming in open bodies of water, the Fish and Boat Commission recommends wearing a U.S. Coast Guard approved life jacket. Amanda Eustace, Newswatch 16, Monroe County.